Did you know that you can also write a journal in Mahara? All you have to do is select Content, Journals. By default, Mahara automatically assigns you a journal. It's called your name and then Journal. But if you need to write a reflective journal for a class, such as EdTech 542, you can create a journal just for that class. Click Create Journal, and you'll probably want to name it the name of your class. You can add a description here if you want, what this journal is about or going to be about, or the purpose. You can also tag this journal and click Create Journal. You have your journal, and you can immediately start making entries to that journal. Here's the journal. If you want to see a full view, just simply click the header. You'll see the journal, and all you have to do to start writing is select New Entry. Put your title here of the journal post, and your content goes here. You might want to write your journal articles in Google Docs and then copy and paste them to this text box. That way you'll have another backup copy of your journal articles. I always like backup copies. You can tag this particular article, so if it's about something that you want to be able to find or you want to remember, you can tag it. You can also attach files to your journal posts, which is a really nice feature. And you have all of the features that you're used to in Mahara for a rich text box, so you can do whatever you want. Add images, create hyperlinks, do all sorts of things. You can even insert HTML. You can also decide you want to just save this as a draft right now if you're still working on it and you don't want people to see it until it's published. By default, it's no. You'll probably want to allow comments, so by default that's on yes, and you simply save your entry. As with most types of journaling systems, such as blogs, posts will appear in reverse chronological order. That means that new posts will show on top. So we'll click a new entry and create a new post for this journal. We'll call this week 2. And again, make sure you write a nice journal and make sure you check it. You might want to copy and paste it into Grammarly as well. Make sure there are no errors. And same kinds of features, and I'm going to click Save Entry, and you'll see after this saves that my week 2 post will go on top of my week 1 post. It's a very simple journal, but very powerful. You can save it in Mahara, and because you might be using Mahara for your EdTech learning log, which we do in EdTech 501, you can continue to use it and add this journal as an artifact for the course to help you remember what you did in that course to build up to your culminating project. There's one more catch, and that is, how do you share this journal with other people? I'm going to show you that in the next video.